We'll start with the maintenance of the machine.
Okay, so now I show you how to replace one of the blade.
The locking system is very simple.
Yes, very simple. So first thing to do is in which size is the blade, if it's on the right or on the left. So you see this is in this side, this is the other side.
Okay, so the blade is not in the center of the
Yes.
guide.
Then we remove, we come from here, this three screw, 1, 2, and 3 here.
Which one?
Yeah.
Okay, those three.
1, 2, and 3.
Right.
And those two on the other side.
Okay, so those screws.
Stocks. Yeah, nothing not more.
But what would be the symptom or sign if you need to replace the blade?
The more simple,
I mean, what will be the symptoms, or what will be the sign that you need to...
that the machine doesn't cut well the cable the right way. Normally the waste fall down automatically. If you have to remove it by hand, it's bad.
Okay. Understand, no?
Yeah.
So if it is not cutting clean cut, that you need to pull to discharge the yeah. So that is the sign that you need to change the blade. But is this blade is you can resharp it or
No,
replace?
because there is a special treatment on the exterior of the steel, and if you try to sharp it, you will remove this treatment, so it become very soft, and you will damage it very easily.
And the diameter also will change.
Yes. So 3 in this side, and there is 3 also in the other side. Just 2 of them are working always. Well, that one who made the lateral waste, the other just made shortcut.
So how you will distinguish if this one or that one is the blunt blade?
Oh, when you have to take a look. When you see that the edge of the blade is more than 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, normally you have to change it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then we move it like this. Okay, so this is the blade. We can go on the table and I take the other tools.
So basically it's just the plate or the blade itself will be changed. So it comes with the special tools.
Yes. No, that's
It doesn't, huh? Okay, so we can use
you.
ordinary Allen key.
So when you remove this, keep attention because there is a this is more spacer and sometimes fall down.
Okay.
This black part.
Without the spacer, it will touch the.
Yes, the bearing. Then you remove this 4 screw. Okay. The fan is down.
So, see here.
Yes.
There is a difference between the
Yes.
groove.
The deepest part, like this, there is something like an angle, goes on the bottom side. So we must sure that it's touching this part.
If you make
No.
it opposite,
Yeah.
Yes, I will check.
Yes, like this.
okay. So the reference is the side where you have the groove or deep groove will be inside
Yes.
the side of the bearing. Perfect.
Then we fix it again.
This serrated one, it will be hard.
No, it's not so hard. Normally we close it at the 5 Newton meter.
I mean for the other blade.
For the other,
One.
you can do it. You take with the gloves. Then you put this again inside.
So make sure that the spacer is there before fixing.
Yes. Then you put this, and you don't have to close it. This must be free. So because we have to close
so-
it when it's inside.
Okay. So you don't have to tight it
Yes.
when it is outside.
Yes.
Which direction?
You see, not like can be like this or like this.
I need any direction.
No. If it's like this, it's on this side. If
Okay.
it's not like this, it's the other side.
Yeah. So we remember that this is on
This side.
this side. Okay.
This is opposite. Yeah.
So what happened if you place it wrong side?
The machine will make the wrong dimension of the box.
So always remember the side or the
Normally,
position
I
of the
mark it there, or I take a picture before,
blade. Yeah.
Yeah.
so you are sure that you are going in the right direction.
Before
Because there is some glue.
Glue, huh? Okay, Loctite.
Yes.
I am promoting Loctite. Loctite. Baka naman. And there, what will be the torque? How many Newton meter?
Normally it's 5. I will check later, but normally I close a little bit more tight. Also because not all the customer have the dynamometric keys.
Exactly.
Right on the middle.
Okay, so after fixing the 6 Allen ball, now it's time to tighten the center bolt, no?
Yeah. Okay. Normally, when I finish, I take tools.
Yeah, to make sure that the tight is proper.
Yes.
So the size is 6 mm, no? 6 mm Allen key. And torques,
Is 20.
torques 25.
25.
Torques 25 and 6 mm Allen key. The tools to be used to replace or remove the blade.
We normally check. That screw must be closed at 10 Newton meters,
Okay.
and the other 6 must be closed at 5.
Okay, so 10 and 5
Yes.
Newton meter. And the screws has Loctite, thread lock. Okay.
If you have to remove, to change this blade, first of all put your gloves, and then from the front you can remove the free screw on the top, there, and then you have to go behind the machine, but if you put the lift down, and we can move from pressing this button, manual, then you can go inside the manual movement, then you can move the lifter down, up, back and forward. You can move the conveying back and forward. You can move all the transversal unit. You can make a cut. You can move the blade up and down, the axis back and forward, and again the conveying, and all the unit. The auxiliary unit can be moved the blade, and if there is the grease. And now we continue with the. Now it's in the other side, so we move in this side. So I'm moving the unit in this direction. Okay, we can open the gate. Then you can remove from behind here, you remove the other free screw.
Okay, so it is accessible over here.
Yes.
Okay, so 3 screw, the same, then you pull out
Yes.
the cutting blade, then you can dismantle and change.
Yes. It's explained also in the manual, there is some pictures and everything.
And the same, you have to be careful with the...
No, the transversal blade is in the middle.
Okay, so you don't practice the same as the other
Yes.
procedure.
Okay, now
Okay.
I'll show you where you have to put the grease. You have to put the grease there.
So this is the grease point.
One.
What type of grease?
It's normal grease. Normally, in the manual there is one specific grease, but there is nothing special. So normal grease is okay.
I'm currently having the NSK original grease.
Okay. So normally we use Kluber, but it's the same.
Okay.
So there is 1, 2, is there. 2.
So what's the frequency of greasing it?
Normally it's just once per year.
One pop.
No, normally we pump till the grease come out from the bearing.
Okay.
Then you have to clean it,
Yeah.
because this machine produces some dust of cardboard.
Yeah.
So it's more important to clean than put grease. If you put too much grease and then you don't clean, it's not a good idea.
Okay. So the sign is pump until it comes out and then clean it.
Yes. Then there is all the sliding bearing. 1 and 2. Yeah.
This you need to remove, yeah.
No, there is a special grease pump. I show you.
Does it come with the
No.
grease pump? So we need to buy a grease pump.
Yes. You need 2. This one is made by the I-Wing, normally the producer of the sliding bearing. This is just for the sliding bearing, and then a normal grease pump for the other parts.
So I win GN ATM. Okay.
And then they give you also the there is this inside. The grease inside here.
Oh, really?
Yes. Now it's almost finished. I will check if I have one new. Okay, then let me take the screwdriver. I show you the other parts. Then there is one is here, one is there, one is there, and the same on the other side. The
Okay.
difference is just no, the same because you have two sliding bearings also, two bearings also on the other side. Then the last face is there. You have one here. Just put the light. One is there. One in the other side. Then you have one here and one on the bottom. There. And the same in the other side. And then the last two is there.
Okay.
And the same in the other side.
And what about the chain?
The same. We just put some
Chain spray?
lubricant, yes, but just once per year is okay. Before we clean it with some air, and then we put some grease. There is one chain here, same in the other side. One is here, the same in the other side, and then there is the main chain in the other side.
Once per year.
Yes,
Okay.
that's all.
That's all for the maintenance of this
Yeah.
machine. And what about for these rollers or the feeders?
What?
Nothing is there? Here, no maintenance
No,
for?
no, nothing to do here. Just in the future will be full of dust. So if you want, you can clean it, but there isn't any problem there.
Okay, for pneumatics, any particular
Now, just sometimes
servicing?
take a look to the filter. Now I can show you how to open the filter. So before you have to shut off the air. Okay. Unlock this. Keep attention when you do this operation because there is more part inside. I think we have also to remove the screw there.
Okay, so basically just to open this. I think we need to open this one, no?
No, it's better to remove these two screws so you move a little bit this.
Yeah,
Because there is
fine.
another screw in the other side, it's not so easy to remove it.
So removing this screw, but it comes, I think, in the block. It's
No,
a block.
yeah, all the block. Move a little bit, but there is the pipes so it doesn't fall down.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
inside here there is the filter.
Yeah. All right.
Replace the filter and put it again. But in a new factory like this, there isn't any reason to open it.
Yeah.
Probably
True.
you have the compressor, the
Brand new compressors.
yes, and also the dryer. I think.
Oh, yeah. I got 3 dryers, 3 compressors,
Okay.
And
If there is the
also-
dryers, there is no problem.
all separator.
Okay. And the other chain there.
The chain the same, once a year.
Yeah,
spray.
once per year. It's very important to clean the machine almost once per week.
Okay. So cleaning, what will be the practice for cleaning?
Just with the air gun,
Okay.
they can blow before these parts on the top. Then maybe they can also take a clean on the line.
The guide rail.
Yes. And then from behind, if you want, you can. Oh, we need to close the gate. Oh, you need to switch on the air. The manual movement, we go up with the lift. So should I just move it up? if you want to work safely, you go also forward. So the lift goes inside the feeder, and also if the chain is broke, it doesn't fall down. And you open, and with a vacuum cleaner, you can clean under the machine.
I think there's still this in the decasen sand.
Yes.
Okay, so this needs to be cleaned and the dust.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's because when we move out the cabinet, the cable move a little bit inside. Don't come from the machine. Okay, and here you can see also there's the motor of the conveying.
Okay. So we learn a lot about the maintenance work for this machine. And thank you for watching. If you like video, please like, share, subscribe, and let us share the knowledge to the new generation. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. Bye for now.